Good afternoon, mga good afternoon, classmates. I am here in front of you to discuss my assigned topic, which is all about the police principle. And also, FYI, this assigned topic is only the continuation of this Kasangay, which is all about the police principle. When we say police principle, many ang mga prinsipyo na nakundin, isusunod na natin mga kapulisan, na nakundin, kailangan ito nila pagkapidaan ng mga klase na mga prinsipyo to ensure lahat para higher gapon efficiency. Number one, police principle is the prevention of crime and disorder. It says that the basic mission for whom the police exists is to prevent crime and disorder as an alternative to the repression of crime and disorder by police force and severity of legal punish. The number one principle of police, the number one police principle is all about the prevention of crime and disorder. And kung naman natin common naman di ba aton na common good na mission ng usa nga police is ang mag-prevent good and crime and disorder within the society. Rather. And also, the next is the cooperation of the community. The police must secure the willing cooperation in the voluntary observance of the law to be able to secure and maintain the respect and support of the community. Nalakundin, in panduang prinsipyo na nakundin, may daan sa mga polis is kailangan nila masecure ang cooperation ng community. Kay matuodin, realidad talaga, ang crime, diba, naitatabo talaga din na community. Without an bully ka community, di rin man kagapunin, magiging successful ang tawag ito an investigation ng isa na polis. Kaya hindi dapat magkamidaan prinsipyo or magkamidaan sukat nila klase ano sa mga polis na nakundinin, masecure niyan ang willingness or cooperation ng mga tao gapon sa society. And also, the third one is the unreasonable force to reduce community cooperation. It says that a police officer will never employ unnecessary force or violence and will use only such force in the discharge of duty as in reasonable in all circumstances. Na nakundin, amon gapon ang pagtulong ang prinsipyo na nakundin isusun na lahat ng mga kapulisan na nakundin kailangan what I mean is ang paggamit ang reasonable force ano sa mga pulis nakakapag-reducing community cooperation. Example na lang, di ba, kung natin makikita, may mga violent reaction dahil ang mga tao tungkol ng mga pulis, di ba, nafe-fail dahil pag nag-investigate nila, na nafe-fail nirahin, tawag ito nila, kamidaan berahin, unreasonable force, nakakagamit nila mga unreasonable force, example, pag-investigate, na nakundin, amay ito na nag-relate, pag-reduce ang community cooperation. Timbahin, ang mga tao, hindanay, di rin na nabulig, kaya tungod din, nagmaan na nila, timbahin, di rin na nabulig ang mga pulisan, kaya tungod man good ang mga pulis, ay nagkamidaan gapon yung failure. Na nakundin, amin na ng matuloy na kundin, kailangan din, ang mga pulis, di rin mag-reduce, o di rin din, magbuwatan, hanbutang, tawag ito din, makapag-reduce ang community cooperation. And also, use of reasonable force when pursuant is not sufficient. The police should use reasonable force to extend necessary to secure observance of the law or to restore order only when the exercise and pursuance of bias and warning is found to insufficient to attain police objectives. Na nakutin ang panupak na prinsipyo ng mga kapulisan, na nakutin ang paggamitin reasonable in force kung ang anira investigation hindi makamidaan ng failure. Na nakundinin, example gapon nini, sukalin magkamidaan arrest warrant example ang police nag-i-issue arrest warrant tapusin. Anira gina-arrest may dahil, tawag may dahil, may dahil pusil. Tapos hindi ano man ang mga kapulisan hindi rin nila gagamit ang nira, di ba reasonable force. Na nakundinin kailangan nila himuon na para ma-fulfill gapon ang your duty as a police or rather as a law enforcement officer.
Go.
And the fifth police principle is the impartial enforcement of laws. It says that the police seek and serve community people, not by entering community opinion, impartial enforcement of the law on all individual members of the society without regard to their race or social standing. Na kundi kapag upat naman na prinsipyo ng susundan mga kapulisan, na kundi ang pag-impart or ang tawag ito ng pagkuhan ba ang mga batas na waray bahin hindi kikilingan kung ano pa man ang langit sa mga tao, ano pa man ang kulog o religion, kailangan nila i-impart ang ating mga balawid. Ang ito, kasi pa, tapos also the sixth panulong niya is the community are the police. The police at all times should maintain relationship with the community that gives relate to the historic tradition, that the police or the community are the police. Ano kundi, nasagapon ito na theory. Ano kundi, ang police, kung sino tagapon niya ang community, ito po ang police, binabayad gapon niya ang komunidad, di ba? Ang ating mga buwan, tawag ito ng ating mga taxes gapon. Dahil amo ta nagipapasir do era to ensure gapon ang safety ang mga tao within the society. And also, the police should not assert judicial powers. The police should always direct their actions directly, strictly towards their function until proper the assert the power of judiciary by averaging individual of the state and authoritative judging guilt or punishing the guilt. Sila ko din pagpito naman kailangan ang mga kapulisan hindi rin ba mag-assert ang judicial tawag ito hindi rin ba maghinuhilong tawag ito hindi rin ba lumabawira hakun ano man ang isusubay ra kumbaga sukad ba itong di ba danay may mga hambog yapon diri diri tanan may mga hambog pa danay ng mga pulis di ba pagtiringan ni taas gyapon gid kung kuan gid tami-tami na solba ito ng mga putang kailangan kailangan papatas ang pag-enforce ng laws ang usa ka pulis. And also reduction of crime and disorder. That is, the police efficiency is the reduction of crime and disorder until totally eradicated, not by evidence of the police person in action in dealing with the community. And also, panwalo, and reduction of crime and disorder na kundinin. And nayayakan na din na ang efficiency ko ng police, makikita kung gaano kadamo or na-reduce nila ang crime and disorder kung nakuha pa nila tawag itong na-reduce nila ang rate ang crime within hausa ka society. And also rule of enforcement and partially observe. Policemen engaged in anti-crime operation must always consider the safety and security of who might be caught in the crossfire or armed encounters. The use of force, including firearms, justifiable only by virtue of the doctrine of self-defense and defense of the strangers, nobody, including the policeman and other law enforcement authorities, is above the law. And also, the use of force, especially firearms, should be applied only as last resort when all the peaceful and violent cases have been exhausted. And also, police discretion. It says that police discretion, a police officer will use responsibility discretion vested in the position of exercising within the law. The principle of reasonable will guide the officer determination, and the officer will consider all surrounding circumstances whether any legal action shall be taken. Na nakundin ang police discretion, amuni ang discretion na nakundin isusunudan ang mga kapulisan. Ito ba tawag ito ano ba sukad ba mga guidelines naging susundan ng mga kapulisan to ensure their efficiency and effectively, di ba? And also the professional conduct and police ethical standard. It says that professional conduct and ethical standards in a high degree of honesty and more essential the officers and members of the than any operating members of the society. Nayakan na din na unprofessional conduct and police ethical standard na kundinin kailangan sundon hanang kapulisan kay tungod hiniraan itatapuran na mag-enforce ang laws kung hira mismo na-against or nabalibaga balaod di rin na matatapuran kung baga kung sugal ito. and last is the Philippine National Police Code of Professional Conduct and Ethical Standard. It says that all PNP members shall abide and adhere to provisions of this code of professional conduct and ethical standard toward this end. A truly professionalized and dedicated law enforcer shall be developed in promoting peace and order, ensuring public safety and enhancing community participation guided by the police principle that the public trust and in that all public servant must all times be accountable to the people. They shall serve with utmost responsibility, integrity, morality, loyalty, and efficiency, with due respect to human rights and dignity of all members of democratic society. Ano kundi, among mataga po nini ang political standard na kundi kailangan sundunan ang mga kapulisan kay matuod dira manggudan ang na-assign to na mag-impart or mag tawag ito ni magkuan ba mga batas ngan amo na ito